going on, guys? Bishan OD Performance. Just getting all ready, making sure that we're keeping COVID-19 safe here. Got the homemade mask, some nice gloves, and a beautiful RX7. Can't go wrong with this sight. 99 spec bumper. Did the engine bay, shaved everything, blocked up all the holes we're not going to use. We'll start inside out. Powder coated the engine block, street port, studded, power seals, elite intake manifold, already elbow, full function fuel rails, turbo smart fuel pressure regulator, and oil pressure regulator for the turbo with a filter. We got 22cc injectors, custom wire harness tucked, some nice powder coated pieces, Pineapple Racing idler pulley, Bonsai Racing pulley kit, Borg Warner SXE 362, custom catch can, vibrant intake. We did the rotary extreme VMount, but we modified it to hide the piping. Turbo smart blow-off valve. Willwood ABS proportion valve for the delete. Custom oil filler neck. We got a Haltech Elite 2000 on this one. This car's gorgeous. One of a kind. Just take it in, take it in. Put a lot of work into this. First of many. Finally complete. She put down around 380 wheel on 93 pump gas. Low boost. Put some E85 to turn it up. Go around to the interior, and then we'll go up so you can see under. We went with the AEM gauges. Still got to finish up the radio. Reupholstered seats, new center console, the Nardi steering wheel, factory shifter. We did the Shine Auto side skirts. Shine Auto front carbon lip. Powder coated the brake calipers. We got RPF 1s. Those are by 10 in the back. 17 by 10, very light. Handles great. Ohlin suspension. Duckbill. Yeah. Racing Beat exhaust. One of the best sounding rotary exhausts on the market. J-Auto, trailing arms and toe links. We took the subframe down, powder coated them, undercoated the entire underbody, even powder coated the spindle. Powder coated the diff cover. Bonsai Racing diff support. We got the radium fuel filter, steel braided brake lines, Racing Beat pre-silencer, Bonsai transmission mount, powder coated the front subframe, built to Apex oil pan. And then we did the AN lines for the radiator. And that's a quick overview of what we got on this RX7. Citrap oil cooler. Check out that VMount. Look at the flow that's getting there. Nice intake, K&N intake. If you guys need anything, we're over here in Island Park, New York. We got a lot of parts, a lot of experience. Check out, we got GTRs, more RX7s, LS swap. G, this is the Evo we're giving away. Evo. Evo, come on camera guy over here. 19 spots left, COVID-19, don't be scared, the car is sanitized. Lifestyle all over. Till next time guys, be safe, wear your mask, wear your gloves, wash your hands, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. When you cough, away in your elbow. Let's take this thing for a ride. got a triple disc in here, so it's a little aggressive. Exetti triple disc. Nice and smooth. great. Love it, man. Love it. Sounds amazing.